Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So today we're going to get the E92 ready to take to the dealership. I've decided that I'm going to actually trade it in for a new vehicle. I'm not sure what we're going to get yet, but I'm going to get all of my little stuff here and there taken out of the car. We'll get it clean, we'll give it a vacuum. I just give it a wash at the car wash, and so we're just going to make it look presentable so I can get the most money back from the dealership of where we're going to trade it in. So with that being said, let's get to cleaning this car and get it ready to give to somebody else. We got the car in the garage, the heat's on in the garage. I got it running, so I'm gonna start on the inside of the car while the garage warms up because it still is minus 20. This cold snap has just been lasting forever. Yesterday morning when we went to my daughter's horse show, my wife got to the barn and it was minus 37 without the wind chill. That's minus 34 Fahrenheit. It's too cold. This is getting ridiculous. The sun needs to come out and Mother Nature needs to wake up for springtime because it's making it super tough to vlog for you guys. For those who don't know, I did have ankle surgery last Wednesday. I had laparoscopic debridement. So for those non-medical people out there, the doctor went in. He ground down some bone that was rubbing on each other, and he removed a bunch of inflamed tissue that was in there. So hopefully the pain that I've been having in my ankle will start to go away now. But sorry for the lack of vlogs all week. I was dealing with that and the surgery and getting everything ready to go for that. But now that we're in the car, let's start taking some stuff out. And one of the things that you guys may have not seen in the car before, but I did put in a custom phone mount that I ordered from Bimian online. So we're gonna get that removed and I'll show you what that mount looks like. It's pretty clean. It was a nice placement for my phone. The winter floor mats, I'll take those out because they do also fit the F30. I actually got the winter floor mats with the F30, so I'll keep those with me. I'll put the regular floor mats back in and we'll give her a good vacuum, good wipe down. I've emptied the trunk already. I just had some washer fluid, battery charger, and a blanket. Nothing major. So got that emptied, but we'll get the car cleaned up, ready to give somebody else. It's pretty simple to remove. You just basically peel this. You take this panel and you pop it out, and then this panel pops out right here, and then there's a screw right under here that holds this, and yeah, it's like not even a minute job to take out and put in. Got the winter mats out. I got the whole car vacuumed out. I got it all wiped down. It's looking pretty minty fresh. I'll show you guys the interior in some nice B-roll. Here you go. There's a nice clean car ready to go to a new home. Where are we gonna go? Well, because of the surgery, I'm off all week, so I'm gonna test drive a bunch of different vehicles. I think tomorrow we're gonna go check out Honda, a 4-door Civic, maybe. Tuesday, I might go test drive a Hyundai, a 4-door something over there. I want to go test drive Volkswagen Golf Jetta, something in that. I have a line on someone to go see, and I'll probably also try Kia. So I'm not set on anything that I'm going to buy. I don't think it's going to be another BMW. Sorry guys, comment below if you're disappointed, but I have one. I have my show car as a BMW, and I want to get into something that's cheap, reliable, and something that I can just hop in and drive. Although the E92 has created a lot of content for me, it's also the next vehicle I get. It's going to be my daughter's first car. Do I want her to be in a BMW for her first car? Probably not. So hence why we're going to go look at something else other than BMW. And then when she starts working and getting her own money, if she wants a BMW, she can go buy a BMW. I'll be okay with that. But like that, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to come with me this week to the dealership and see what we end up buying. I'm going to take you guys for the entire process, from test driving to picking, and comment below what you guys think I should go test drive. Has to be a 4-door though. This is the mission. 4-door for a family car. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.